Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the Wes Anderson color grading tutorial using Capcut. So here I've already opened the Capcut applications. You can start by tapping on your project and choose photo or videos that you want to edit. Okay, here I'm going to just use a photo as an example. You can add the photos or videos. Now after you add photos or videos, you can just go straight to filter, and in here find the movies category and then add the green orange filter, this one. Set it to around 80. Once you are done, you can click on this adjust tab and follow the settings. So for the brightness, lower it to -4, and then contrast -35. Let me just do brightness first, and click on the saturation and lower it to -10. Brilliance also -10, and for the sharpness, increase it to 35. Now click on the edge cell. For the orange color, set the hue to -5, saturation 88. Now click on the yellow color and lower the saturation to -25. Click on the green one and set the hue to -5 and set the saturation -10. And for the light blue, set the saturation to 35. Click on the check icon, or let's just go back. Now find highlights and lower it to -4. Click on shadows, increase it to around 20. And then temperature, increase it to 25. Fade 25. And lastly, click on the grain and increase it to around 15. And you are done. Click on the check icon, and this is the Wes Anderson color grading. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.